Welcome to this tutorial where we'll demonstrate how to manually create sales orders. Start by navigating to the Sale module, then select Simple Sale. If you're integrated with an e-commerce platform, fully completed sales orders can be automatically imported or arrive ready at different stages for user input. You'll first fill out the document header where you can enter a new customer or select one to automatically populate the sale order based on their record within Cin7 Core, including customer contact, price tier, accounting info, and shipping addresses. All these fields can still be edited, like the warehouse where products are shipped from and to. You can see that we're working within a sale order quote, which allows you to provide a detailed price breakdown of your products and services, along with enabling authorized quotes to be saved to the system and shared without impacting any financials or inventory movements, and can later be converted into a sale order. By default, all sales start as a quote, but you can move straight into a sale order using this skip quote checkbox. This setting can be changed so that the system skips creating a quote by default and use the same checkbox to reverse a sale order to a quote. To add products to the sale, you can scan barcodes, import a products list in CSV format, or manually add a product line to search for products. When added, the system automatically applies any custom pricing, price tiers, discounts, tax rules, and even dynamic pricing based on your default sale process customizations and any product and customer level rules. Though you can still make changes, as well as add additional charges like shipping or services rendered. If you hover over the products we added, you can see how many available units there are. Like quotes, sale order drafts do not trigger any stock movements. But once the sale order is authorized, we can see that the available quantity has been reduced. As the authorized order has allocated those products to the sale, Cin7 Core immediately pushes this availability count to e-commerce integrations, connected to the warehouse where that inventory is picked from. Once authorized, the sale order process is complete, and the previously locked fulfillment and invoicing stages can now be accessed. You can then email, download, and print copies of the authorized sale order. These documents can be infinitely customized to your brand and fields important to your business. You can also customize quotes and any other sale order documentation as well. Remember, the sale order does not create any financial transactions. At this stage, we're authorizing a sale, allocating the inventory against the stock on hand, and enabling fulfillment to begin.